teaching you how to magically draw a honey slime side view, which I have never done in my life. Probably not, but still. Okay, so of course you gotta draw the side. Yeah, circle, whatever. Do what you gotta draw. That looks terrible. There we go. Okay, so what from I know, from my style, I've never really done this, so if I make a mistake, you'd probably get why. Well, this is the best I could do. I could probably do better, but who really cares? It just looks like a butterfly man. Bruh. Also, I don't know how to do exactly the belly, but still, it's not good. Because I've drawn this one before. You see, like, the belly right there. Of course, I used a magical reference to do that. So yeah, thanks for watching.